Hi folks, Chef Rob down in the kitchen here to introduce you to our new line of Prairie Farms cream cheese spreads. Our new small batch cream cheese spreads offer personalized snacking and limitless options to complement recipes. From sweet to savory, each 3.5 ounce cup is made with award-winning Prairie Farms Neufchâtel cheese using no artificial flavors, colors, preservatives, or artificial growth hormones. We're bringing you one-of-a-kind flavor options for cream cheese spreads like sea salt caramel, onion and chive, garden veggie, and honey vanilla. Prairie Farms is a tried and true brand with farm-to-table values that align with your expectations for quality, food safety, and transparency. So look for these cream cheese spreads at your favorite retailer. And now, are you ready to win free cream cheese? Each week we're giving away 10 prize packages that include 10 free cream cheese spread coupons. All you need to do is visit our landing page by going to prairiefarms.com and clicking on small batch spreads at the top.